How to fix your BMO Bank app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your BMO Bank app if it is not working. So there may be various different reasons as to why your bank app may not be working. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you got to make sure is check if the BMO servers are up and running or not. Because if the servers are down, no matter what you do, it will not work. So make sure the system are running normally. Now the second thing you got to make sure is check your internet connection. Now as BMO Bank app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work, make sure you have either stable Wi-Fi or stable mobile data. Now third thing you can do is basically close and relaunch the application, and while you're at it you can also try to restart your phone. Now another thing you got to make sure is your app is updated to the latest version and you're using the newest version of the app, as if you're not, sometimes some of the features and fixes will not work, causing your app to not work or glitch out. So make sure your app is updated. Now if you're on an Android device, you can also try to clear the cache memory of your app, and this will solve the problem in most of the cases. But if a problem is still there, you can try to uninstall and reinstall the app, or simply contact the customer support and they will be able to help you. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.